Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and I am excited to announce we are officially only one day away from our next best special. This Father's Day weekend we are running double the savings, and we are not clowning around. You like that? Oh, come on. My kids love the red nose. All right, let's recap the details quickly here. So this weekend only, we are taking $30 off of each of our flagpole kits. That's something we're automatically doing for you, so you don't have to worry about adding a discount code to that. You add the flagpole kit of your choice to the cart, and it will have already been adjusted by $30 this weekend only. Then on top of that, we're giving you the choice of $50 off of any one of our famous Lumen Series solar lights. 400, 600, or 800 series, they're all included in this sale. You choose which one you want, add it to the cart, and then use the discount code 50LIGHT. That's 50LIGHT. Add that during checkout, and that will take $50 off of whichever solar light you choose. If you've already got a solar light, or if you have other accessories you want to add to your cart and you want to get a savings on all of those accessories, you can add your flagpole kit and then add Sweet 16 to your discount, and that will take off 16% off of all of the accessories. Plus you get that $30 off of your flagpole kit. And the Sweet 16 applies to any accessories you get. Even if you already have a flagpole, you could still add accessories to your cart and take advantage of the 16% off. All right, that's one day away. We're so excited. We hope you join us. We hope you help spread the word, spread the patriotism. Let's spread that love for America, and let's get an American flag flying in every yard all across this great nation. All right, happy Father's Day, everyone.